Shandong Shanxi Construction Machinery Group Company Limited has its origins in Laizhou Jufeng Machinery Company Limited, founded in 1992 on a sprawling 25,000 square meter facility. Our diverse product lineup includes self-loading concrete mixer trucks, mini wheel loaders, backhoe loaders, rough terrain forklifts, and more. Quality reigns supreme in our operations, evident from our ISO 9001, ISO 45001, and ISO 14001 certifications, as well as relevant patents, and CE certification across all our products. Through unwavering dedication to excellence, we've garnered a distinguished reputation for delivering products of unparalleled quality, backed by a robust spare parts inventory, efficient service, and competitive pricing. These qualities collectively underpin the establishment of our esteemed SOMG brand, esteemed and revered within the industry as a beacon of reliability and excellence. In 2024, we start our new manufacturing facility boasting state-of-the-art robot welding technology for precision and durability in welds, thereby enhancing product longevity. We'll also introduce industry-leading electrophoresis and powder spraying processes to bolster the durability of our product coatings. Additionally, our AGV automatic installation production line represents cutting-edge technology within the industry. In line with our vision to emerge as a premier enterprise in China and a global front-runner in construction machinery, we remain steadfast in our commitment to delivering excellence and enduring value to the industry.